Hey everyone, this is Adam with UAV Coach reporting straight from the desk. We find the best drone fails so you don't have to. Simple as that. To kick things off, here are some honorary mentions before we dive into the top 3 drone fails we received in December. Hope you like them and keep sending in your best fails for a chance to win free access to our Drone Pilot Skill Builder course. Now let's get into the fails. All right, we've got a beautiful day at the lake. Everything seems to be good right now. We're moving along, I see some branches, and ooh, down we go, all the way to the lake. Oh, and we're underwater again. Seems almost nostalgic to last month's winners. Okay, we're heading toward the mountain. Doesn't seem like we're moving up. Maybe we just want a close-up shot? Yeah, well, that's about as close as we can get. Now we got a smaller drone, almost looks like it could float on water. Oh, okay, we're going for the true runway takeoff, and ooh, almost made it. Next, oh, this doesn't even need my commentary.
Of a train derailment behind the Home Depot. Roller coaster. Oh my God. It wasn't supposed to do that, right? Okay.
No. Sadly, no. This is the pain some drone pilots have to go through, similar to the last one, when the drone just doesn't want to fly. Anyways, let's continue to our top 3 placings. Coming in at number 3, we have a submission from Zach. Ooh, all right. I love the smooth footage in this colorful forest, getting nice and low. I wonder what could happen. We're going up near that tree and ooh, whoa, it's still so colorful, even on the way down. In second place, we have a submission from Bill. All right, we got a backward shot, looking at all of these buses, and we're speeding up a little bit now, right around the pilot, and oh, well, sadly, I don't think the drone ever saw it coming. And drumroll please for the winner of the December edition of our Drone Fails Challenge. Goes to Michael. All right, looks like we're starting off strong, heading right for those trees. Ooh, okay, already hit.
He's still on his feet! Oh my goodness!
Come on, you got this. Keep going. Ooh, almost. Hey, at least we can say it flew with everything it had. Wow, well, big congrats to Michael, and thank you to everyone for sending in your best drone fails. If you have any fails yourself, please submit them in the first link down below. Also, we'd love to hear what you thought of these videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Our goal with this challenge is for you all to embrace the fails and fly, share, laugh, and learn together. Until next time, blue skies and extra safe flying.